Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be making some door cutouts, some aluminum door cutouts actually. So what you're going to want to do first is remove this bolt right there, Phillips. Pop this plastic off. Remove this Phillips bolt as well as this one. Then you're going to also want to pop off the connector to the window switch. And then come over to your speaker, pop the plastic off. And it's up to you at this point whether you want to remove the speaker or not. What I did was I removed 1, 2, and 3 Phillips. And then you sort of just, actually before that, you pull this forward and it'll pop off after you remove the Phillips. There should be a plastic clip like this, as so. And with this, it's gonna be attached right here to like this rod. Sort of like that. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna push it so that it pops off the little rod, this piece. And you push it down and it'll slip off of it, and then boom, the door panel comes off, and it should look something like this. Also, don't forget to remove the clip connector that goes to the speaker, and it's pretty much the same thing in the back. What you're gonna want to do is remove this bolt, pop this panel off, remove the 2 Phillips, the switch connector for the window, and it basically pops off. Alright guys, so at this point, if you're going to do the cutouts, you can pretty much just get rid of all the plastic clips. If you're not going to use any of the cables, which I'm not, then you can get rid of them. But you should probably keep your window ones, because you can wire it so that you can roll your window down and back up, which I'm gonna do later. Alright guys, so once you get all the plastics off and the wires that you're not gonna use, if you're gonna use the door hinge and the lock like I am, you're better off kind of just tracing where you're gonna cut, you know. And also you're gonna wanna leave some room so that you can put some self-tappers, you know, all around, so that it doesn't like vibrate or you don't fucking get cut because one edge is lifted up. Shit like that. At this point guys, you can go ahead and start cutting. Keep in mind, if you're working next to a car with a good paint job, you probably want to cover it up. And also, you probably want safety gear, gloves and glasses. I don't have any of that with me right now. I usually do. Oh well. I'll try this at home. Alright guys, it's pretty much cut out. Just little spots, you know. Little spots I gotta go over again. Here, a little bit down there, a little bit on the edge. But it should be pretty free at this point. Don't forget that after you cut it, you should probably use a grinder wheel or a flap disc so that you don't cut yourself when you rub your arm against it. It's happened before. Just a word of advice. Well guys, I'm gonna have to end it right here. I'm gonna need more cutting discs. I'm also gonna need a grinding wheel because I misplaced mine. And hopefully by then I'll also have the aluminum that I'm gonna use to cover all of this. And we'll hopefully finish cutting by then. So see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.